Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, we're still learning about setup accounts receivable, which is a part of MB800, and we're going to learn about customer ledger entries and how to make the payments and basics of that. So first of all, you go to the customers, and that will show you all the customers. So these are all customers we have at the moment. These are just randomly I made just for their sake of it. So you got these customers, and if you want to check any of these customers ledger entries, you go to customer and then you click ledger entries. That'll show you the ledger entry for the specific customer, not all of them. You can see the customer's name there, all the ledger entries are there. So if you go back and click on this, and if you want to see the ledger entries for trade research, you can see the entries here just for trade research. All of them are there, and you can check that. Okay, and same wise, if you want to check individual customers entries, you can go through the customer function, and obviously you can check the ledger entries. The next thing we're gonna check how we check whether customers payments, or if we wanna host the payments, if we receive any payment from the customer. So you go to actions and others, and you can see register customer payments. So now we only taking the payments for this customer because we clicked on this customer. So let's say you can make the full payment of this invoice, and you can say payment made, and you can say post payment. Let's post it. So that's gone. Next one, if you want to make a partial payment, you can say their amount received. What amount we have received today is, let's say for example, we say we've received 500 from this one. That's like a partial invoice we received. So the rest of the remaining balance is still there. So we can post that. And then let's go back to this customer again and see the ledger entries. So this is what we just put the entries there. It's normally through journals as well, but you can make it through payment with the payment options as well on the customer's account. So remember that you always go to. Normally it's different for different Business Central options. So it's here, which is go to others and obviously register customer payments. If you want to see ledger entries for all the customers, then you need to go to the customer ledger entries, and then you can click there. You'll find all the entries of all the customers are there. So let's say it's ready cloud there. So if you keep going down, you'll see other invoices as well from different customer. If you keep going down, you'll see other customers invoices as well. So these are the entries, obviously ledger entries are made already on the customers ledger entries. And you can also find entries if you want to find any kind of entry. So if you, let's say I want to find out the document number with this one, I want to find entries for that, so you can click there, any documents with the document number on that date, it should show the entries regardless of which customer is that. So this is how you find the entries as well. I mean, sometimes you want to find something from entry document number or any date or external document number, so you can pick up the things from there, or if you remember the document number, you can put it there and find the entries from there. You can also search through GL entries or customer ledger entries, or whichever you want to do that, you can do that. It's a different search option if it has been given to you. So basically, ledger entries refer to the records of financial transactions related to specific customer accounts. I mean, these entries are typically created automatically when transactions such as sales orders, invoices, payments, credit memos, etc. are processed within the system. So you hope you understand the basics of ledger entries and how to make a payment or how to make a partial payment to the customer. And just obviously it's so many things to learn, so just we're learning one by one so we can understand properly. So that's why we're following the MB800 exams structure. Thanks for watching.